Yeah.
All right. Well,
Glad we
awesome.
let me just.
Yeah, you should definitely open it up.
You know.
Make sure I didn't just throw like I don't know, GT 710 in there or something. Hey, what's up everyone? Danny here. In this video, we're going to be going on an offer-up ride-along where I'm going to be trading this Radeon RX 5700 XT for a RTX 3060. Now, this is going to be kind of similar to the video that I released about a month or two ago, where I traded a slightly lower version of this card, the 5700, plus some cash on my end for a RTX 3070. But in this one, because both the cards are worth about the same if you look on eBay, which I would say is the best reference for the price of these cards if you're not buying from a retailer. You could use local market, but you don't know if things are actually selling at the prices that are listed for. But on eBay, they actually tell you what sold listings go for, so you know these graphics cards are moving at those prices. And both the 5700 XT and the RTX 3060, from what I was seeing, are going right now for about $900 to $1,000. I put up a listing on OfferUp. I listed it at $500 because I think that the miners would have jumped all over that at that price. In the title, I explicitly said that it was for trade only, and in the description, I was asking to trade up to 3070, 6700, 6700 XT, and 6800, I think, without offering any cash on top. I told people it was a straight trade. That was about 3 weeks ago, and I actually did get a lot of offers. I'll read some examples of the offers I got. Like, for example, this guy, Edward, he said he would trade for this with $500 on my side for his 6800. I actually offered a lower amount, $250 plus this card for his 6800, but then he ignored me and didn't even respond at all. And then some people decided to message me saying, no way you're gonna get that trade. Like this person right here, he said, lol, no one is gonna trade with you, my guy. Okay. And then there's this other guy who I think is a PC like builder and flipper because of his name. Actually, I can look at his profile now, and yeah, he's selling a bunch of computers and parts like that. So he's probably trying to put it into a build and then sell it for some higher price. He was basically trying to buy the card from me for $500, but I told him, you know, as I explained in the ad, it's only up for trade, and he responded with, no one would do that trade. The 5700 XT is selling on here for $800 while the 3070 is over $1,200. And you know what? He may be right, but I saw some posts on Reddit of people successfully trading the 5700 XT up to the next gen 6700 XT at least. And I think those are even going for more than 3070s, if not the same value. So there are people out there who will trade, and I was basically getting these kinds of messages until I got Bill. He opened up with, hey, I have a Zotac 3060 white amp edition if you want to trade. It's brand new in box, still sealed. He bought it for a friend and his build, but the friend never ended up building anything, and he actually does have a mining rig that he could use something else in, so he wants this card to mine on, and he's willing to trade his 3060 for it. He said he would rather trade than scalp or something. Now, I'm not sure if he's telling the truth or not. He could have bought this to try to scalp, no one is buying it, and then he ended up seeing this and thought it was a fair trade. Either way, I'm gonna give him the benefit of the doubt. He's not too far away from me. It's about a 10-minute drive to where we're gonna meet up. So yeah, let's just record the deal, talk to him, and then do what we normally do on these ride-alongs. This is my trusty trading backpack where I put all the valuables in. And then I got the GoPro strap as always. But yeah, let's head up. Hey, how's it going? Okay, so, wow.
Brand new, both sides.
Yep, unbroken seals, and yep, you can check this out if you want to. Since
did you use it at all?
I didn't use it. I opened it so I could take the pictures and show like the plastic.
So it has literally no power time on it.
No power time on it.
Cool.
Yeah.
Cool. Yeah. All right. Yeah, I'm I got it from my buddy, and I got him a PS5 like a month ago. And I was like, hey, you want this? And he was like, yeah, I think so. And then he got it, and I was like, hey, you want me to help you build something? He was like, you know, I'm just good with the PS5 for now. I'm like, all right, like,
okay.
You know, no skin off my back. So.
And you said you're gonna use that one to mine?
Yeah, you know, I have a game too, but like I have a gaming rig and it's all water cooled and stuff, and I don't really.
Do you have like
buy a water?
Do you have
block.
like a 3000 series card on that one?
I actually have a Vega 64, but
oh
like,
wow,
water cooled and overclocked, man, it runs everything. Like, I run everything at ultra settings, and like I guess on maybe some of the new games I see some lag, but like generally like I'm good with it, you know.
Okay.
And yeah, I've been mining for a little bit, and I was like, well, you know what?
Okay.
Like, you know, I'll just get another, because I don't really want to scalp, you know, like I'm not trying to like buy GPUs and sell them for twice the price and stuff like that.
For sure. Well, thank you for doing that. I really do appreciate that.
Yeah, did you get any other inquiries? I'm kind of curious.
I did. So I got a bunch of people, because I did list it for 500.
Yeah.
Just because I wanted like miners to see it, because I think any miner would pick it up at that price.
For sure.
So a bunch of people saw it for 500, which is a good price, even though it's over MSRP. And after I told them it's only for trade, they, you know, didn't respond. But then I had a lot of people told me, like, you're never gonna find someone to trade for that. And I was like, well, I'm not sure. I read some stories on Reddit where people did straight up trades, you know, just based on the value of both on eBay.
Like that's obviously better than this, but like in my use case, like this is better for me. And like I said, I'm not trying to scalp.
How big is your mining rig, by the way?
It's pretty big at this point. I have two 3060 Ti's, and those are my only new cards.
Okay.
Everything else is just used. I have a bunch of 580s and some 5700s. I have 2 rigs. My small rig has 8, which I basically just bought straight up. And then my big rig, which I've been building over time, has about 19, I think.
Oh, wow, okay.
Yeah, so like, it's getting there, you know.
Okay.
it's making me pretty good money too.
Today, everything dropped,
brutal.
right?
Yeah, today was fucking brutal.
But I mean, we've seen that happen.
Yeah, honestly,
quite a bit, right?
I've been trading in the stock market and stuff, and like this, I have no plans. I'm not trading. I'm like, actually, I'll see what happens in a few years.
Yeah,
know,
for
like,
sure, long term.
Yeah, I don't know if you want to call it investing, but like, sure, like we'll use that term, you know. So like, I don't really care about today. Like I've seen routes in the stock market where everybody loses their shit too, and it just bounces, you know, like everything comes back. So I don't see it going away at this point. It'll probably have some hiccups, you know, but I mean, I just had a daughter, and like if I wait 20 years, you know, like, who knows where it'll be at that point. So like that's kind of what I'm saying. So I just have fun building my rig to 3D print my own like mounts. It's a nice. It's not like one of those in a box looking rigs. I don't know if you've seen a bunch, but some people just like throw them in like little wireframe boxes, and it looks like like you don't want to move it. You know what I mean?
Or like milk crates and stuff like that.
Yeah. No, mine looks cool.
Okay.
It's yeah.
All right. Well,
glad we
awesome.
Let me just...
Yeah, you should definitely open it up.
You know.
Make sure I didn't just throw like I don't know, GT 710 in there or something.
Like Amazon, did you hear about the Amazon scandal where people were buying, I think 1050s? Was it 1050s?
Well, I heard about that, and then like they even go as far as to de-lid CPUs and put crappier ones in there. So like they get very like advanced with the scamming methods.
Yeah,
but
Amazon doesn't really care.
Yeah, they probably make enough money where they could.
Yeah, exactly.
Just foot the bill.
Yeah.
All right.
You have a good one, man.
Yeah, you too. Enjoy that card.
Yep.
All right, so the deal is done. We got a sealed card, good to go. So let's get home and then test this card out, just to make sure it didn't come DOA, because he didn't even open it. So we technically don't know if it works or not, even if it's brand new. I gotta water Melissa's hydrangea while she's away. She's out of town right now. Whoops, that's gonna kill it. Ooh, Auto looks horrible in here. Okay, much better. All right, let's open it up. It feels a little light. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous, but here it is. Okay, it's a small card. That's why, like, for how big this box is, it's mostly foam. Let's take a look. Here it is. We're gonna put it into this system right here. Let's see if I can get the old card out and the new card in while it's in the vertical position without it dropping and falling and breaking. And let's peel this. There you go. Fans are spinning up. So someone just messaged me right now for the 5700 XT asking if I would be interested in taking $250 cash. I just traded it for the RTX 3060, so no, sorry. Here it is. It's running superposition. Temperatures look normal. Card's fully loaded. The panels are off, but yeah, nothing wrong with the temps, no stuttering, no artifacting, nothing weird going on. So I'd pretty much say it's good to go. So that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Hope you all enjoyed. I'm really glad that this trade worked out the way it did. I feel like I'm pretty lucky to be able to find someone who was willing to do an eco trade like that. Not because I think that this card was worth way more than the other one, because as you saw from the eBay prices, they are about similar value. I'm just happy that he was fair about it and didn't want me to throw on extra cash on top of it like some of the other people who messaged me, which I felt like I would have been ripped off if I had taken those trades. So I'm glad I was able to get a fair trade for this, and I'm glad both people walked away happy. Hopefully this video also motivates anyone out there who does have a prior gen card that is good at mining. And it's not just the RX 5000 cards too. If you have the RX 580 or 480 or 570, I believe those are worth quite a bit as well. You wouldn't be able to trade them up for this, but they are worth quite a bit, where if you were to say sell it to a miner, you could knock off a good chunk of your way to a newer card. The only risk with that though, and I'm saying to be careful with this, do not get rid of a graphics card until you are sure you can get another one to replace it, because you might be sitting without a graphics card for a long time. Like doing a trade like this where you get a graphics card right away for trading yours, that's fine, because then you can have one in your system right away. But be careful about selling your older cards for money, because even if you have plenty of money, you might not be able to pick up a card because they're just sold out, and you know, people in your local area might just be selling them for stupid, ridiculous high prices that aren't worth it. So yeah, just be careful with that. But yeah, let me know otherwise if you found anything in your local markets, if you found any good deals, whether it's graphics cards or not. I always love hearing about your pickups as well as sharing mine. But yeah, other than that, I look forward to reading all your comments down below, as well as seeing you in the next video. Bye.